My second ever Fab Fit Fun box. The first time I unboxed this, I shared with you guys over on Instagram. I've changed my name over there recently. It's now Elizabeth Medero _. So I'll put it below if you want to find me. But I thought I would come over and share with you guys here on YouTube. So it's kind of fun. I'm sure you've seen Fab Fit Fun all over the internet, and it took me a long time to jump on board. I figured it wasn't going to be worth the value. I didn't think that I was going to love the stuff, but honestly, I got my summer box and I loved so much stuff in it. I got a makeup setting spray that was also sunscreen, which is great because I live in Florida. So you set your makeup, but also it's sunscreen. So that's genius. I got some silicone smaller cups that I use for iced tea out on the porch, and I love those. So the thing that I love about Fab Fit Fun is you get it once a season, so you're not getting stuff every single month. So it's like a little surprise. And you can customize or you can keep stuff a surprise. So I like to customize some of the stuff, and then some of the things you don't know what you're getting. So the packaging's kind of cute. It's always cute. And I haven't even opened the box yet, so I figured I would just share. So one of the things that I love, it comes with a magazine that describes all the things that are inside. And they just really have done a great job with the marketing for this stuff. Like, it's everywhere. And if you have not jumped on board, I'm sure I have a coupon code or something, and I will put it all in the description box if you want to check it out. Like I said, it took me forever to jump on board. I really researched it for a while before jumping in. Okay, this is one of the things that I specified that I wanted. So they usually give you a bunch of choices for things. You're not guaranteed, I don't think, but I thought this was really pretty. This is a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. And I just thought those colors, perfect for my house. As you can see, look, all the wood and white. Everything in here is wood, white, gray, teal, and then, you know, we change up a little bit for each season. But then there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, so Avita, which is a great brand, damage ready daily hair repair, instant visible. So how does this work? Oh, it's a leave-in treatment. Awesome. And they tell you the value of each product, and like usually each box is like $300 worth of products, and it's like 50 bucks, I think, but then there's codes too. Okay, juice cleanse, exfoliating sugar cubes. How cute is this? Okay, what does it say? Take a cube with you in the shower or bath and massage of your skin. Okay, cutest ever. Look at that. My mom is like a tea party fanatic. She loves sugar cubes and doing tea parties. She would love that. I'm gonna love that. Okay, Bobble Bar. These are really pretty. I have bought from Bobble Bar before. These are the Farah ear crawlers. They're like crystal earrings. Really, really pretty. Body Boost Gel, menthol and green tea, tone firm and smooth pre-workout activator. That sounds interesting, but it's paraben free, sulfate free. What does it mean, activator? Boost your workouts by targeting problem areas while keeping you visibly smooth and toned. So apply it to your glutes, thighs, abs, arms, and let the tingling begin. Oh, so it's just like help. You know what, I will try this and I'll let you know how it works. I already did my workout for this morning. Cardio is done, check, but maybe I'll do it another day. Okay, aromatherapy, deep relax roller ball, restful and tranquil. You guys know I love my essential oils, so I will look into this before using it and checking it out. But it smells pretty. I can't tell by smelling it, but I will check it out. Check out the research and the ingredients and all the good stuff. Okay, what else is in here? Humankind Skincare with Conscience. It's a body souffle, natural, vegan, cruelty-free, lightly whipped. How am I supposed to open this? Oh, it's like sealed. Oh, that smells really good. I think when I thought I was smelling the essential oil, I think it was this. It just smells really, really light and kind of like citrusy. Let's see, and then I think this is the last thing, and I picked this out. And I'm very excited for this. So They had a choice of this or a gorgeous blanket scarf, and I have a couple blanket scarves I purchased last year, and I really wanted the blanket scarf in this box. However, this, let me show you. When I saw it, I thought, I need this. This is, do you see? And you'll see why I picked it. This is called Live Mindfully. It's a travel yoga mat. So I can take this on the go for workouts, and look how flat it folds up. So instead of having to roll it up or try to fold a yoga mat that's not meant for folding, this one I can take with me on the go. So we went to the Smoky Mountains this summer, and I rolled up my mat and put it in the trunk of the car. But when we go to Hawaii next year, or we go to Disney, I can put this in my suitcase and I don't have to worry about it taking up space in the car. Or like with Hawaii, we won't be taking a car. But let me see if I can open it up for you. It's purple and navy blue. It's like pretty, huh? It looks like maybe antlers, not antlers, like hooves from like a deer. So anyways, there you go, guys. This is my Fab Fit Fun haul. Hope you guys have liked this video. It's fun to try out new stuff and just see what we think and experience it. I know that if you like any of the products, after you've tried them, you can purchase them from Fab Fit Fun and try them again. Sometimes they give coupon codes to buy more, but I've just found it's been a really great way to try very high-end and expensive products on a big discount. So I'm all about saving money, and so far this is my second box, and I have been thoroughly impressed with the products, and I love that I can customize some of them to what I want, and I love that some of them are surprises too, like these sugar cubes are gonna be super fun. But this mat, definitely a keeper, and it's very grippy, so it's gonna be great for my workouts. So thanks guys for hanging out with me. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.